on Wednesdays at this time, we take a little time out for Ask the Lawyer with Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. I've got Bruce on the phone again this morning. Hey, good morning, Bruce.
Hey, good morning, Todd. What a beautiful day we have in Southwest Florida.
This is the stuff the chambers of commerce absolutely love. The blue skies, the mild temperatures. It's perfect.
It's a gorgeous day.
Absolutely. You know, we've been talking a lot about, as is everybody, the Mega Millions, the Powerball, jackpots, that kind of thing. And, of course, it's all a pipe dream. But, most folks would say I'd quit my job if I won. I got to tell you, I'm one of the people that would not, because I love what I do. And I think you'd probably say the same thing.
I love my job. I wouldn't quit it if I won 2 Powerballs.
You end up helping people at some of the most desperate points in their lives, and that's got to be very rewarding.
It is very rewarding, Todd. I look forward to getting up every morning to helping people.
Well, we're going to ask you to help somebody today who sent in a question, and it even says we really need some advice, so let's get right into it if you're ready.
I'm ready, Todd.
All right, here's what the question of the day says. My husband and I have been snowbirds from Michigan for over 10 years. Yesterday, my husband was riding his motorcycle by Nokomis Beach when a driver ran a stop sign and hit him. My husband was taken to the hospital with severe injuries which required emergency surgery. My brother-in-law wants to contact a lawyer friend of his in Michigan to handle our case. But I think we should hire a Florida attorney. Can a Michigan lawyer handle an accident case in Florida? We really need some advice. And let me just say, I understand, I get it. If we have a friend that is an attorney, sort of the go-to knee-jerk reaction is, oh, I got a buddy, he'll help you out. But that may or may not be the best thing to do. What do you make of this situation, Bruce?
Generally, it's not a good idea.
Okay.
First of all, you want a well-known, well-respected Florida lawyer.
Okay.
He's familiar with the courts. He's familiar with the court system, the judges, the police department, the highway patrol.
Mm-hmm.
An out-of-state lawyer must be licensed in Florida in order to practice law in Florida.
Mm-hmm.
There are some out-of-state lawyers that are also licensed in Florida, but, it's not a regular part of their practice.
Mm-hmm.
So it makes a lot more sense to hire a local, well-respected personal injury lawyer.
Something it doesn't say here, doesn't make clear, so we don't know, is what kind of lawyer friend the brother-in-law has, too. I mean, he might be personal injury, he might be contract law, he might be who knows what. I would think it would be best to specialize with somebody who not only handles personal injury, but also, in this case, motorcycle cases.
That's a very good point. And, each state law are different.
Mm-hmm.
So, you might be a, well-respected or good personal injury lawyer in Michigan.
Right.
Florida law has its intricacies. It has its things that are peculiar to Florida.
Mm-hmm.
So it's important to retain someone that's well educated and handles lots of motorcycle cases and is well respected by the court system.
Right. And this is in no way bad-mouthing the other attorney. Like you said, it might be very well respected, but I would want, if I were in this person's shoes, I would want somebody that, well, for example, you're known as the biker's lawyer. I would like somebody who's handled a lot of motorcycle cases, and like you said, knows the nuances of the Florida law inside and out. And after 50 years, you just celebrating your 50th anniversary, I think, again, I would give a nod to you.
I agree with that. To flip the scenario, if someone here in Florida got into a motorcycle accident in Michigan,
right,
I would check with my colleagues and find the most respected Michigan biker's lawyer to refer them to and work with them so that my client from Florida would be, have the best possible representation.
I think that really says it all. What's best for the client? You only get one bite at the apple, as they say, one chance if you do have to go to court on this. So you want to make it the best shot possible. Bruce, thank you so much for answering that very important question.
Well, thank you for posing those interesting questions, and I look forward to speaking with you next Wednesday.
Absolutely. And say hi to the family, and please, everybody, stay well by all means.
Okay, and one good thing, Todd, I get my second vaccination next Wednesday.
Do you?
Yes, sir.
That is, you're going to have to tell us once it's all said and done, the experience, so that others can know and learn from you how it went.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Todd.
Thank you, Bruce. Take care now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up again for Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. If you have any questions, you got a legal situation that's really not sitting well with you, that kind of thing, please call the Port Charlotte office of Bruce L. Scheiner, attorney for the injured. Number's 941-743-7777. 941-743-7777. And tell them that Todd Matthews sent you from Kicks Country 92.9.